Hi, let's see demo for library management app. So first start XAMPP control panel. Here you have to start Apache and start MySQL. To see the backend database, click on the admin button. It will promote you to the web browser. In the left hand side you can see your project name, library. So inside that you can able to see the project tables. So this is a user login table. Next, start Android Studio. In the Android Studio, in the left hand side will be the source code folder. Here below the minimize button, open the AVD manager and start the Android emulator from the play button. My emulator is already started. Here the app, library app. So let's see the demo for the library app. Let's start with the admin login. Admin@gmail.com and password is test. Login successful, and here the module for the admin will be managing the library books materials and materials to digital downloads. So to add the materials, go for the add book and enter the book details like book name, author, description, year, etc. Once you enter the details, click on submit. The book has been added successfully, and you can manage all the details in the view book details. So the available, you can search the details by means of the book name, you can search by author name, you can search by year, you can search by anything. Okay, so there will be an option called status, whether the book is available or not. If you want to update or delete it, you can able to do the operations. So next you can add the materials, like you can upload the PDF materials, students can able to download it. You have to enter the subject and which departments they corresponding to and what is the year and semester. So once you upload, you can see the details in the viewed file details. You can search by means of department wise. You can able to download it, or you can delete the details. So let's see how to issue a book. So go to the issue book. So here you have to see what the book is available or not. Okay, you can see the book is available. You have to click on the issue button. So I'm just creating a new student login. So you have to go for a registration option. It's registered successfully. Now you can do the login. So here you can able to search the books, and you can able to borrow a book, and whatever you have borrowed, it will be available in the my borrow, and you can manage your my profile details. So students can able to search the books, whatever the availability, they can able to check it. So whatever you have borrowed, it will be available in the my borrow option. Okay, so you have not borrowed anything. So let's borrow a book. Okay, so go to the admin@gmail.com. So we will issue a book for the new account. Go to the issue book. So here you have to mention what is the final date. and you have to provide the proper email ID which student is borrowing the book and submit it. So once you update it, it will be status will be changed to issued. So whatever you have borrowed, it automatically it will be updated to the student account. So go to the student account now. So go to the my borrow option. You can able to see whatever you have borrowed, what the date till final date, and the status is issued now. Okay. So if you want to return it, the admin will be returning the status. You can provide feedback. So if you want to return the book, you have to go for the return status, the update the status to returned. And if you want to mention any fee for it, you have to post it if it is a late fee or else. So that's all for the library app demo. Okay.